Good afternoon, my friends on the dais and the distinguished speakers. The tone in the morning Mr. K.B. Singh has set, that has reached a crescendo with the presentation of Mr. J.P. Das, Vijayan Das. So we have to understand from here, I have to start as a Chaudhary Transport Company, we are into the logistics of gases. We are into the drilling of gas. We provide logistics to the Oil India, ONGC and various other, Vedanta, And then it comes to, we are into the LNG transportation. Then we are into the LPG transportation. And much bigger portfolio we have got is, we are working with 19 states with all CGDs for the transportation of CNG gas. And in CNG gas, we have two verticals. One vertical is that we only provide vehicles. Other vertical is that we provide cascade as well as the vehicle. And within that, we provide the type 3 cascades, which are big ticket assets also. So our concern for our own safety and the safety of the user is very much there. Now coming back to the agenda today, that asset quality issue is there. Because in the morning, Mr. Singh has talked about the manpower quality. Unless we don't have manpower quality, and in our case, the manpower is the bottom of the ladder, the drivers, supervisors, operators, and to have them skilled is very important for us. But I give you one instance that 10 years back, we were in a drilling site in Badmer. Our helper, the support staff, while closing the day's work, he fell into the well. Now it was a big disaster. Our hiring company was a drilling company from USA, And the energy company was Kane Energy. So with that situation, immediate thing was that what should we do? We had a SOP there. Within 1 hour, we were able to pull out the person, take him on the ambulance to the Jodhpur. Initial medication was given to him, and he received multiple injuries. He was treated for several months. Entire cost looking after our Jodhpur office was 24/7 helping him. So that was the idea behind it, but why it happened is the question. No, root cause is the issue. Now the drilling company, in order to save the money, they kept on working till 7:30. And they asked the driver, the helper, to manage the assets, And the bargain, there was nobody from their side to supervise. And the senior most person was the chief manager of that American company. So lesson we learned that after that we struck down that we will not work after 5 o'clock. We are not at all working in the drilling fields after sunset, And our entire staff is, every visit they are told that they have to be very careful being very close to the well. That is one aspect of it. Other aspect of safety and, our customer is whom? CGD is a hiring company. Our customer is the auto rickshaw driver who is at the pump. Our taxi owner or the truck owner who has come to fetch the, gas over there. Now, in that situation, we have to maintain that our two pillars are, one is safety and other is time-bound delivery. So that pump doesn't go dry, And that what we have been ensuring, being in this field for 30 years, we could not have survived in 19 states without focusing in these 2 points, And most of the cases we are L1, bidder is the lowest price also. Now coming on to the safety issue in the CGDs. While in case of drilling, there is a huge HSE deliberation among the various stakeholders. On any near miss even, they want the issue to be closed within 10 days, 5 days, and it is done there. But when it comes to CGD companies, except for 5 or 6 companies, the rest of them hardly get concerned about the safety issue. Only they want that if you are not wearing this, we will put the penalty. The penalty is not a panacea, to the safety. Safety is what the safety culture. That is utterly lacking. That is why they want the cheapest transporter, lowest cost transporter. They don't want safest transporter. So there is a requirement nowadays when somebody is bidding for the tender, he should be asked not only have completed the previous work with the other company, the completion certificate, that should also carry the quality issues also, safety issues of how much he has been compliant about it. Completing the target is not the issue. So today we are facing, that is why when we spend more money on safety, and others who don't spend money on safety, they become a winner in the tender. Because nobody is questioning about the safety issue about them. So for our request is that safety, if it is there, it should not be the checklist Mr. Das has told. It is not a checklist issue. It is an issue for the human life and life of our own crew. Thank you very much.